This is Phoenix, Arizona, America's hottest large city. During July, temperatures here can soar to 121 degrees Fahrenheit. 100 years ago, Phoenix was a small town. Not many people wanted to move to Arizona in those days. Folks said that it was too hot, dry, and lonely here. What I call the 3 A's changed their minds. The first A was air conditioners. These machines use electricity to cool the air in a room. Air conditioning allows people to live in comfort no matter how hot the day is. The second A was aqueducts. An aqueduct is a large pipe or canal that moves water over a long distance. Aqueducts are used in the Southwest to move water from lakes and rivers to farms and cities. Aqueducts make it possible to have green lawns in Phoenix. The third A was automobiles. Travel in the Southwest used to be hard and even dangerous. A traveler stuck in the desert could die of thirst. Cars, along with good roads, made travel safer and easier. People began to come to the Phoenix area as tourists. Some liked the hot, dry weather so much that they came back here to live. Since 1940, Phoenix has grown at an amazing rate.